guys, today I have a review on some Winkylux pill lipsticks, and these are so cute. Look at that. And then I got some little mini pills. The only thing with this is like I'm scared that my son might grab them. So I have been really cautious as to where I've been storing these. But before I get started on this review, definitely follow me down below on my social media. I do have Instagram and Facebook down below if you're interested in following me. And also I would love if you would subscribe right there in that little red button if you're new to my channel. My name is Melissa. I go by Meli, and I do a lot of reviews, demos, unboxings. So stick around, subscribe, it's free. So first thing I'm going to jump into is this Winkylux. This is called their Pink. And this is a flower bomb, and look how pretty is that? How pretty is that? Hopefully I'll be able to put in a picture, but I have one on my Instagram if you're interested. It has this beautiful little flower in it, and I think this is the first lip balm to do it. And the flower has a fancy name, which I'm not even gonna pronounce, but it's around here. And they have different colored ones. So if I know there's like a blue one, a pink one, a green one. So this is super, super cute. And these lip balms are $16. I think that you're mostly paying for how cute it is in the packaging. They are super nice on the lips, super moisturizing, just a very nice lip balm, and they go with the pH of your body. So I will have a full little montage of all the lip swatches at the end, or I will put the timestamp around here somewhere. So all of them, you will see them back to back of me actually trying these on. But this kind of goes with your pH and gives you like a pink flush to your lips. I'm not wearing any of them right now. I'm just wearing lip gloss because I literally burn the crap out of my lips, like putting on lipstick, taking it off, putting on lipstick, taking it off. But very, very beautiful. They don't have any smell to them, just a really beautiful lip balm. And that is worth $16. Next up is this one, which is in this cute packaging, and this is their unicorn, right? Oh no, it's called Glimmer, but it looks like a unicorn. Look how pretty that is. So hopefully I will be able to put a picture around here because I feel like you can't appreciate how gorgeous this thing is. It has all these beautiful specks and glimmers and shimmers in it. It's just so pretty, and it's just super, super nice, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hopefully you guys can see that. Ooh, she is a unicorn. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But this is also a pH one. It goes with the body temperature. So I feel like if you're not huge into lip balm, you could just get away with buying one of these because it more or less works the same as far as like pH and like what it's gonna look like on your lips. And it just goes on basically clear and then turns into a perfect shade of pink for your pH on your body. So super, super cute. Love the packaging, just so adorable. And like I said, yeah, these are $16. Next up, I have the little mini ones. These came in a set, and these are worth $16. I'll put a picture of the set around here. They are so adorable. I absolutely love them. I love the fact that they're so tiny. First of all, because when things are tiny, it means that I can use it up. And secondly, because they're so cute. Like, hello, are you not cute? He's so cute. The only thing with these are you have to be a little bit careful when you take them out because they don't go up or down. Like what you see is what you get. So you have to be a little bit careful putting it in or out. And also, I love the fact that it comes with 5 shades. So you get 2 neutral ones, you get a little red one, you get a fun purple one for when you're feeling funky, and then you get a dark one for when you're feeling emo. So these are so cute. I love them. It's like you literally have a bag of pills. So these are so adorable, and you will see lip swatches on all of these now, and I'll just jump into that. have to say. I really enjoy their products. The lip balms are fun. They just look super cute, just very adorable, more for the packaging than anything else. But I love the fact that it kind of just changes with your pH, which could be a good or bad thing depending on how bright of a pink it will show up on your skin tone. So that is something to watch out for, but they are very beautiful to look at. As far as the little ones, I really enjoy their formulation. They're super creamy, super beautiful. I love the fact that you get like 5 for $16, so you get like 5 different variations. And if you got a big makeup collection, then you are probably like me, that you want to find things that you can actually use up. So I do like the fact that these are so tiny and cute, and you can just use them up and also get a good variation of color. And the packaging is adorable, and like I said, they're super creamy on the lips, which I really enjoy. So let me know if you guys have tried any of Winkylux's lip products. I'd love to hear back from you down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.